Hi, it's Colin McIntyre, and this is the first of a series of very short videos which talk about how you publish your Leadpages page once you've created it. So today I'm just going to talk very specifically about when you connect to a domain. On the next two videos I will cover installing HTML onto your own site, and I'll also talk about using the WordPress plugin. But today we just talk about domains.
Firstly, we want to get all the page settings correct. So I haven't retitled this from when we started using it as a demo, so I'm going to rename it, and let's call that Dog Training Basics, which will tie in with how we customized that page. I'm then going to go into edit the page. Okay, so let's have a look at page settings. So just settings, general page settings. So dog training basics, page title, I'm happy with that. Page description, dog training basics, free ebook. I think I'm just going to leave it that nice and short. SEO keywords. So dog training basics, dog training dog obedience training. Pretty good keywords for what I'm looking for there. Okay, so I'll save that. Okay, so now we're just going to look at the publishing options, and the publishing options are the domains that we have connected to the system. So I have a domain weightlossproducts.com added as a custom domain, and so I can have that as a follow-on to that custom domain. Obviously I could change the custom domain, or I could upgrade, and on the upgraded packages I have an option of adding multiple custom domains. Okay, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to, in this case, for training purposes, I'm just going to add it to my standard Leadpages, in other words, hosted by Leadpages, and I'm going to call this dog basics, and I'll just publish it. And I mean, what I could have done is I could have done the same there. Hot weight loss products, dog training basics, doesn't make any sense. So I'm going to publish it to my Leadpages. Okay, so that's now published. If I copy that link, that's the page published, looking roughly like I thought it would, and perfectly happy with that. So publishing to your domain is the simplest, easiest publishing option, but there are others which give you great flexibility, and I'll cover those over the next couple of videos.
So today, nice and simple, the very quickest way of publishing your domains. Tomorrow I'm going to show you how you can use the HTML option. Do subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up for the video, and I'll see you tomorrow.